G'day YouTubers, Michael here, VK3HAU. Just thought I'd do a quick video on some of these C-Bus gang plates that I've purchased off eBay. The disadvantage of buying second-hand gang plates is they can be pretty grubby and in a very used condition, but I suppose the advantage of buying them on eBay is to buy these brand new, you're looking anywhere between $180 to $220 recommended retail, and trade price is about $135 to $145, I think, when I last looked at them. But anyway, I don't know what's going on with my stabilizer mount. It seems to be going for a bit of a drift. Might have to recheck the gimbal, recalibrate it, but let me just correct that. So another thing you can do though, even though they're second hand and pretty grubby, you can remove the mechanism from the gang plate. If you have another gang plate, which I do, this one's just another one I had kicking around. It's a little bit grubby on the inside, it doesn't matter. And you can remove the mechanism and put it into a newer gang plate. The only thing is the buttons are still a little bit creamy in colour. Now I don't know if that's because the way these are, whether they actually are creamed, or if they have gone that colour through exposure to UV. Like some old plastics on PCs and whatnot. So this gimbal, this stabilizer has just really lost the plot. It keeps turning around on me. I'm gonna have to look up the instructions to see how I can reset the gimbal on it. It's pretty simple. We just take these 4 screws off. By the way, I got these off eBay for $20 each, so yeah, it's not a bad buy. So take the cover off. Then this lot pops off. If you have a look, there's holes here. So this lot pops off. You take, look at that grubby shit. Probably give that a bit of a clean. Those switches come off and give them a clean. Let me just do that. I'll pause this. All right, so we've cleaned those buttons up. A lot cleaner than what they were. But just looking at the plastic itself, that actual colour is on the inside as well. So it's highly likely that actual they haven't faded or gone that way from UV exposure. It's more likely that these are actually what their colour is. So there's not much we can probably do about that. I don't know whether peroxide or bleach is going to whiten them at all. So probably not worth trying. But anyway, not to worry. I still haven't worked out why the stabilising gimbal is turning this camera around. I've got to try and find the instructions and work on that. But in the meanwhile, I'll just keep correcting it. So yeah, that's they're cleaned up. Those buttons are cleaned up now, so they almost look like they're new now. So we got the circuit board here with the light on it, LED on the top, and they've got an arrow on here which indicates, whoops, over here, it's got an arrow there, indicates up. So that just needs to sit in place like that, like so. Same with that one. So now they're in place. And we get our new gang plate over here. And there's a couple of spacers on the old one. Don't forget to transfer them over as well. Just little 4 spacers that sit in the holes just here. One there and one there. Okay, so we should be able to put our circuit board in like so, and we'll grab our cover plate, put that on top, and that should all line up. Put our screws in, and should be another one here somewhere. Yep, there it is. Put our screws in, screw it up. There we go, and that now has given it a bit of a new lease on life from this old crappy looking bloody gang plate to the newer gang plate. Even though the buttons are slightly different colour, yeah, the plate looks better. Really would like to be able to match the colour on those, if you can somehow. If someone knows anything about the way to change colour on these. I don't think using hydrogen peroxide or bleach is going to help in this situation, because I think it actually is in the colour of the plastic, or the plastic is actually that colour, but not to worry. Let's go on for another spin. Alright, so that's it for the moment, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.